Hello and welcome. This is How to Scholar. Welcome to my channel. So now we'll be looking into name correction on the statement in case of if they made an error on the names on the statement. So the previous one, as you saw, was for the certificate. This one is for the statement. So what you require is a letter from the school, a photocopy of the statement of results, then GCE candidate to attach a national registration card or NRSE. As you can see, that's the information that you require on the candidate details. This is the same thing on the other videos as well. Nothing is different. The contact details are the same. Then statement copy, the letter from the school where you sat for your exams from, you place there. So what they mean by name correction, in case of if maybe there was an additional letter on your names, or maybe there's a letter that's missing on your names, then they have to include it there. That's the name correction. With the previous one, that's either removing the names or adding a name. That's what we're talking about in the previous video. Okay, so once you're done with the filling in and attaching, you click on agree, then submit. They have to go through the application. Once they're done, if it's approved, the information that you've attached is what they require. You will also be required to make the payment after receiving that message showing that your application has been approved. So we're done with this video. Let's now move to the next one.